Hey you guys, it's Mrs. Ross here. I've had a couple of questions regarding number 7 and 8 in our lesson 12 textbook assignment, so I wanted to go through and answer these with you. So if we look at the directions for numbers 7, 8, and 9, it asks us to set up an equation, solve for x, and then find the angle measures of the unknown items. The unknown angles are anything that have an x with it. So if we take a look at this, this is number 7. I drew a figure similar to it. Okay. Now in number 7, and in any four-sided figure, we have 360 degrees. So I'm going to write four-sided figure equals 360 degrees. That means that every single one of these angles will need to be added together and set equals to 360 in order for us to find the value of x. So I'm going to begin by going, and I'm going to go E, F, G, H. I'm going to go in alphabetical order. So I'm going to go 2x minus 8 plus 104 plus x plus 165, and I'm going to set that equals to 360. Now this is my equation to help me solve for x. I'm going to combine my x's together, so 2x and 1x give me 3x. And then when I take a look at this and I go negative 8 plus 104 plus 165, that's going to go ahead and give us 261. And that's going to equal 360. And again, I put this in as negative 8 because there's a negative in front of my 8. Now, I'm going to begin by subtracting the 261 from 360. And when we do that, we get 3x equals 99. Then we would divide by 3 on both sides, giving us x is equals to 33. Now, this is just my x. This is one part of our problem. Now I need to find out what angle E is and what angle G is because they both have an x in them. Okay? So to set this up, I'm going to go angle E equals 2x minus 8. Now we found out that x was 33, so we're going to go 2 times 33 minus 8. 2 times 33 is 66. So 66 minus 8 is going to go ahead and give me 58. So angle E equals 58 degrees. And we will circle that. Now lastly, we need to find angle G. Now angle G equals x. So angle G equals x. If my x is 33, angle G equals 33 degrees. And that's how we would go through for number 7. Now over on the side, I am going to recommend, because we have a lot of work, that you go ahead and put all of your answers in one concise area. So I'm going to put x equals 33, angle E equals 58 degrees, and angle G equals 33 degrees. And I'm going to circle that piece there. So again, our goal with this was to set up an equation, find the value of x, and then find each unknown angle. Now, I'm going to follow a similar section when I get to number 8. Number 8 is once again a four-sided figure. This is I, J, K, and L. This is the name of the figure. Now here, I have an angle that's 54 degrees, an angle that is 90 degrees. Remember, this box equals 90 degrees, and we need to take it into account. I also have 4x degrees, and I have 5x degrees. Now again, this is a four-sided figure, and four-sided figures equal 360 degrees. So once again, we're going to put together an equation. And that equation is going to begin with 5x plus 4x plus 54 plus 90 equals 360. Sorry, that got out of focus. All right, so now I'm going to combine my like terms together. My 5x and my 4x give me 9x. The 54 plus 90 is going to give me 144. Oops. And that's going to equal 360. So again, I've got 9x plus 144 equals 360. Now I'm going to minus the 144 from both sides, giving me 9x is equals 2. I believe we get, that's going to be 216. Okay, so I get 9x equals 216. Now I'm going to divide by 9 on both sides, and that's going to give me x is equals 224. Now once again, we have two unknown angles, that is angle L and angle K. Angle L is 5x. We need to know what it is instead of just simply 5x. So I'm going to go angle L equals 5x, and instead of x, we're going to put 24. So 5 times 24, 5 times 20 is 100, 5 times 4 is 20, so 100 plus 20 would be 120. So angle L equals 120 degrees, and we'll circle it. Okay. And again, we're going to do the same thing on K. So I'm going to go angle K equals 4x. X is again 24, so I'm going to go 4 times x. So angle K is going to equal, 4 times 24. And angle K will be 96 degrees. Okay. So once again, we've gone through, we know what two of our angle measures are. I is 54, J is 90. Over here, what we needed to find was L and K. We put all of our angle information together to equal 360 degrees. When we added our like terms, we got 9x plus 144 equals 360. We subtracted the 144, giving us 9x equals 216. Then we divided by 9 to get x by itself, giving us x equals 24. Then, once we had our x, we plugged the information in to our problem to find out what the L and K are. And again, because we have a lot of info here, I'm going to go ahead, put my answers nice and concise right near each other. So x equals 24. Angle L equals 120 degrees, and angle K equals 96 degrees. All right, and I'm going to circle it. If you guys have any additional questions, please send me a message through Remind, and I will get you these answers to your questions as soon as possible. And as always, thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.